Here's how to turn on or off DJ mixing in Apple Music. This is a new feature that's been added following the release of iOS 26 for the iPhone, and iOS 26 is compatible with the iPhone 11 and higher, including the iPhone Air. Apple calls this feature Automix, and it seamlessly transitions one song into the next. But in my experience, it can be a bit hit and miss. Sometimes it's really good, just like a DJ mixing your music, but other times it doesn't blend it in so well. So for that reason, I'm going to turn it off. But this feature may improve in time. So let me show you how to turn this feature on or off. So you go into your song, like here I am with Elvis Presley, and then you tap down here on this bottom icon there, the 3 lines, like that. And then the Automix is here. This is the Automix. I have already switched it off actually. I'll just switch it on for you. This is on. And now that will mix. That means all your music on your playlist will have this DJ effect where they're mixing to the one to the other. The second way to switch it on or switch it off is you go into your settings, and then if you search for music, I have got it there as a recent search anyway, but I'll just show you. If you search for music, you'll bring up the music app. It's the quickest way to do that. And then tap on the music app and then scroll down, and then you've got song transitions. So just tap on that, and then you can select on or off. And that will do the same thing here. See, it's on now. So it's the same thing. It does the same. It turns this mixing icon on or off. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please thumbs it up, share and subscribe for a lot more how-to guides to come. And thanks for watching.